Hi, this is a Raspberry Pi attached with a GrovePi. It has many ports like HDMI, USB and Ethernet. This is the AC power cable that is used to turn on the Raspberry Pi. This is an LED base to which light bulbs can be attached, and that's the cable. These are the LED light bulbs that can have both long and short pins. As you can see, the green one has a short pin and the blue one has a long pin. Now carefully insert the short pin green LED into the base. In the same manner, you can now insert the long pin blue LED up to a certain length as shown. Once this is done, to turn on the Raspberry Pi, insert one end of the AC power cable into the micro USB port that you can locate on the Raspberry Pi. You can then go on to plug in the other end. As you can see, a green light will turn on the Raspberry Pi as it is powered on. Now we will connect the LED light bulb to the Raspberry Pi. On the Raspberry Pi, locate port D3 and insert the LED light bulb into this port very carefully. We will now move on to discuss how to turn on the LED light bulb. Once you have started the Raspberry Pi, select the scratch icon. Right-click and open. On the first prompt, make sure that you choose the GrovePi shield. After this, click on Start Programming to launch the Scratch application. You will then see GrovePi Scratch connected to Scratch successfully. This is the Scratch controller. This is the Scratch interface that gives you multiple options like costumes, sounds, scripts. It also allows you to define motion, sound, sensing, control. Now select Control and choose the broadcast operation. Drag and drop this under Scripts. Broadcast is used to send a signal to the GrovePi. Now select Operators and choose Join. Drag and drop this in Broadcast. Join is used to control specific sensors. Drag and drop another join in the previous one. Now out of the three parameters, edit the first one to LED, the second one to 3, and the last parameter to say on. This will turn on the LED at port D3. Click on the yellow area of broadcast and you will now see that the light bulb is on. You can also see this information on the Scratch controller. Now you can also turn off the light bulb by simply changing the on to off and clicking on broadcast again. As you can see, the light bulb turns off.